Well, here we are setting up for the Memorial Day weekend here at Ocean View Resort Campground at Ocean View, New Jersey. Once again, setting up in the rain. This time, I'm going to change out my filter before it really starts coming down, which I don't know if you can hear it, but it's starting to come down. So let me get started. This is my old filter. I've had it for about a year. I'm going to change it out to their new and improved filter. I'm going to change my quick fit fittings over and get out of the rain. Okay, I got my quick connects on, my ends. They gave me two filters, but they didn't give me this hose. So I had to take the hose off the other end. So let's see if I can do this with one hand here. Push that in and until it clicks. There it is, it's clicked. Then I'll hook my hose up to this end. But before I do that, because it's a new filter, we're going to run some water through it. See what comes out. Oh, all black. That must be the charcoal filter. Always, new filters, always run water through it for a little bit. I'm going to shut it off and then do it again. Let me turn that valve off. I'll turn it on full. And then now this is just making me want to pee now. Okay, that should be good. We got some good water coming out. Turn that off. And we'll go and hook up the hoses, which are in my bin right there. All right, let me get busy. Well, of course, it stopped raining as soon as I got all hooked up. But I'm hooked up for the weekend. Going to enjoy. My daughter's site's right here. I'm going to go get her camper tomorrow. Pull it back down here. Get it all set up. So then all she has to do is leave work, grab the kids, and look at my hair. What? It's a mess. So, but I'm going to get all a little bit cleaned up and fixed up and enjoy my week here. So, like I said, all my daughter's going to have to do tomorrow is grab the kids, grab her truck, and pull in. She'll be all hooked up. I'm going to do that for her so she don't have to, come here at 8 o'clock at night and try to hook up her camper. So check this out. Got my water all hooked up. My new filter. Okay. Got my sewers hooked up. Got my slinkies. Got my new Y. And I got it running in. I don't have a third slinky, so that's just going to have to lay on the ground. I got my watchdog. Thank you, BUC-EE'S, for sending me a new one under warranty. Check out that video. I believe I blew it up. I'll put a link in there, or it'll be up here in the corner somewhere. Got it all locked up. Got my electric hooked up. My water comes around here to the back. Got my elbow, got my water hooked up. And there is everybody. I got all my stuff out just as it got done raining. There's the little one, Carol, and my son. Yep, we got the little fan, 20-inch fan blowing because of course it rained. And right after the rain, the no-see-ums come out. So we got the fan out there. Everybody's enjoying the weather. The fan serves two purposes. One, to cool you off in this humidity, and the other one keeps the bugs away. Well, that was a little scary. When you're setting up your campsite, always look up. All right, let me show you something here. You got trees around, always look up. We heard this crash in the next campsite over, well, 2 campsites over. This big dead branch just fell and crashed. But look at this. Here's the other part of it. It literally fell from the tree and broke this fence. And look where it's stuck down in the fence. Thankfully, nobody was around. And then it's an empty campsite. Nobody's here yet. And nobody was near that fence. But look up. As soon as that fell, I started looking up. I was like, oh, good Lord. Yeah, I don't have any dead branches above me or my daughter's site. So, look up, people, look up. Well, I'm getting hungry. But, check this out. We're gonna have leftovers. But look, this is hardcore camping. You ready for this? Hello. I'm heating up my pizza on my grill. You know it, baby. Oh, wait. I got some more pepperoni that I had to put on here. Put a couple more slices of pepperoni on here. All right. Oh, that's a plain. You can't have plain. So, we'll put a couple more slices of pepperoni on that while we're at it. Close it up. When that's heated up, we'll eat that. And then the chicken wings will go on the grill. And when we're done our pizza, the chicken wings should be hot. Woo! There it is, all heated up. To crack open my Keystone Light. Yeah. Now just put the chicken wings on. Let's see. I'm just going to heat them up. You shouldn't use any kind of tools that could hurt you while you're drinking. So that's why I got my son doing it. Because I'm drinking. Got my Keystone Light, and it's time to relax. All the way up till the family comes back from the lake. Take advantage of that. The rest of the family is at the lake. Got their towels hung up. Our quirky is lit. So what time is it, Ross?
Time to get lit.
Time to get lit. He's got his bush. I got my Keystone Light.
Get my bush out of this.
Hey. If I want to throw your bush in there, I'll throw your bush. While we're sitting here, drinking our beers, him and I. My son, number 4. Not my 4th son, my only son, but he's Russell Post the 4th. The bugs are pretty bad. And gnats, mosquitoes. So, this is what we did. I got my 20-inch fan pointed towards us. Get some airflow. Hopefully, that would have kept them away. But no, I'm still getting bit. My son had this thermocell. We got that going. And now, I just fired up my thermocell. And I got another one parked under his ass. So, well, let's see. Screw you, bugs. Hopefully, that'll keep the bugs away. Time will tell. Turn it, baby, turn it. You got it.